again, here back in the video, and y'all see I got fishes, new rocks, new plants, new everything. And I even got little baby ones too. You can't see them right now, because they're orange and black. Like that fish up there is orange and black. See how that fish is orange and black? It's scared. Oh, y'all moving to my hand. Let me see. Mama, look, the fishes like me. They move into my hand now. I did not know that, Mama. You got a clear fish. A clear baby fish. It's so cool. Yeah, my mama had got a clear baby fish. See? Hold on, it's right there in the middle. Too much fishes. Oh, and I want to show y'all this. It's really a surprise because I really love him, but I got a dog. Look at him. Look at him. But y'all can't see him. What the heck is going on?
With a plan that's mutually beneficial. I mean, you can enjoy working for this racist asshole.
Chad's not racist. He's just proud of his heritage.
That's racist.
Chad! Oh. I need something for the big news.
Y'all, it's too much stuff going on. I don't know if they can see, but we a dog. Come here, boy. Come on, boy.
So thirsty. So thirsty. So thirsty. So thirsty.
Hope I can see.
This is very unattractive.
You noticed that routine.
So thirsty.
Y'all can't see him through the camera, but I'm gonna show y'all when he get out the cage. I think. Daddy said he the boss outside all night. Like Daddy kept taking the boss outside back and forth, back and forth. So like he said he's trying to get cane train. Yeah, crate train. I meant to my word. Look at my room. I was at my cousin's house for like 5 weeks. I ran out of clothes. So I got some more clothes. Wait. Who looking at Hulu? Boom. Ba, ba, boom, ba, boom. Chris Carter, you roll Jeep, slide with Jeep, high, they give it to you. Mama, they thought the Sinister 3 affected this Cameron Boy's death. It affected the Sinister 3. That's why it's coming on late. But I already saw it. The Sinister 3. Yeah, they been hating him. They had the same month he passed away. His real name was Robbie on Jesse. He lived with a girl. He lived with a girl and Robbie from Jesse Cameron or something. But he the one that found him dead. Mama, on the app I had showed you, I was finna look at.
What?
On that app I showed you, I was finna look at adventures. But I couldn't find adventures that had Thanos in it. And then I found it. Down and look at it because I saw Thanos snap and my eyes are burned. Oh, 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 crisscross. Oh, 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 crisscross. Oh, 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 crisscross. Oh, oh, oh. Hold up, crisscross. Everybody want to see that. Everybody want to believe it. Dang. Well, this is shooting. You should have brought it to Eastern California for Christmas. Okay. Mama, it says police shooting suspects cut fears and bypass security. So they shooting on this one. They shot on this one because that one has a 6-year-old boy. They shot on this one 5 minutes. They shot a father. Then they get everything. I don't know. Shooting leads to 4 deaths. So that one has shooting. Then it says shooting target Yellow Grove. And that shooting. And then that one says shooting. And then that one says shooting. And then that one says shooting. Hold up. So one of them don't say shooting. It's the one that has a 6-year-old boy. 6-year-old boy in California. You gotta be kidding me, bro. You got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me, bro. You got to get your mouth right. Don't be looking now. Walk and talk at the same time, yeah. It's good, girl, yeah. I don't see back, it's a good time, yeah. About MW game because it been 8 minutes and it was really nothing to talk about. I just made a vlog to show y'all my new dog and stuff. But the cage keep getting blurry and stuff, so I couldn't show you. And plus the cage is dark up in there. And he's getting cage trained, so yeah. It's just a clip to you, it's I don't really care, but CJ said, oh God, baby, mama drama. Did y'all know DG takes y'all every time he makes a new video? But you gotta go to his video. He told y'all his number and stuff and what to do so he can text you. Cause my brother did that and he's stupid for that because they don't really even talk about nothing. So yeah. I work for me, y'all work for me. Oh, bye MWG. It's been 10 minutes right now, and I gotta go because I got a mom, dog, brothers, a fish, and a dad to look after. What the heck is happening to my camera?